One of the questions I get asked about all the time is how to clean these single-serve coffee makers. And it's so important to clean them because they get mold and mildew in them because they're always wet and the pods are always moist. So I'm going to show you how quickly and easily you can do it today. So the first thing we want to do is we want to fill up our water container. And it doesn't matter what brand you have, you know you can take the water container off and just bring it over to the sink and fill it up. Now, we're going to put about half water in there. And you don't have to measure, it doesn't have to be that precise. To that, we're going to add half white vinegar. All right, we're ready. Now, we're going to just put it right back on. That lid back on, and we're going to start the pot with our mug underneath. And we're going to let that totally run through. Once it has run through, we're going to take our mug and we're going to dump it so that all of that vinegar and water is out. And we're going to keep doing that until our container is totally empty. Once it's done, then we're going to take our container, we're going to fill it up with water again, and this time we'll fill it up with all water and fill it to the maximum line. Once we get that full, we're going to put it back on and we're going to run that totally through one more time. So again, the clear water is going to run all the way through. When we're done, I have a little secret for you on how to find out if you have any vinegar left in the water. And that is you take your mug, you take a pinch of baking soda, you drop it in. If there's any foaming in the mug, there's white vinegar in it. Rinse it one more time. If not, you're done. Wash the removable parts, put it back together. You're gonna have the best coffee you ever had. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.